I'm 30 now, and there are some things I have learned over time that I feel like I need to share with you. On this channel, we chit chat, self development videos, all of that, vlogs, lifestyle videos, skincare. But today, I want us to talk. I want us to talk again. I dropped a video recently. I don't know when this video is going to go up. That's what I'm saying recently. But yeah, anytime you see this, you are in check, okay? Hope you're well. Sit back, relax. There's no pressure. Yeah, let's get into it. I was also watching something and they talked about different things, different phases in life, especially being a 9 to 5 person, a 9 to 5 worker, whatever 9 to 5 you do, you work in corporate, whatever agency, organization. There are certain people you need to take note of. There are certain things you need to also take note of. There are certain responsibilities and characters, behaviors you also need to carry and portray as a person who works 9 to 5 or just someone who's trying to build herself or himself, right? You have to consider having a mentor, a sponsor, an advocate. Maybe in your 20s, yes, in your 20s, in your 30s, by then you must have done your NYC, you must have started job hunting. In your 30s, you're already grown in your career, or some people are even just starting a career path. Some people have never even worked in corporate before. They might never understand how corporate is, what it entails, and how to behave and how not to behave, what to expect and what not to expect, and all of that, right? You position yourself to meet people that would help you. Now, let's talk about the mentor. Everybody needs a mentor. There are people you meet over time when you keep on relating with them, your values align, you like their character, you like what they do, you see the impact of their work and in the lives of other people, and then these are people, this is someone you can say, this is my mentor. It's not all about someone giving you money, sponsoring something you're doing, but that character development, being this person over time, would also reflect on the way you do things, right? Then for your sponsor is someone who would technically recommend you for things. Yeah, like, for example, they mention a name somewhere in a room and they're like, oh, can Kaka do this? And then your sponsor is saying, yes, like she can. I know why X, Y, Z, A, B, C, D. I know Kaka can do this because da 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 da. Do you get? And then they make sure that you do that thing. They tell you that this is it, oh, you have to do it. They make sure you do it. Then an advocate is someone that, in your absence, they are calling your name in high places. In your absence, they want people to know about you. In your absence, they are advocating for you. Even after they have advocated for you, they still come to meet you and tell you that this is what I have done, this is what I have heard. Even when they're not saying anything about you, they themselves, maybe they heard something or they hear something about you, good or bad, or something they feel like if you work on that thing, you can be in a better position at that organization or in that organization. They tell you. The thing is, your advocate can be your subordinate. Your advocate can be your direct boss, immediate boss, or someone else. It can be anybody. So these are the 3 people you should look out for if you work in corporate, if you work anywhere, if you want to grow, even in your business, in your family, whatever. I also want to talk about imposter syndrome. This is something I still deal with, to be very honest. This is something that I have dealt with in the past. We have memories, right? And somehow I still deal with imposter syndrome. Even as I'm recording this video now, I'm telling myself, should I let this video out or should I just, let's just be my draft. Then when I'm tired, I delete it. But this video is going to go up. I'm going to try my best, edit it and upload it because I don't know who's going to listen to it. I don't know who needs to hear this. Imposter syndrome is a thief of joy. Imposter syndrome is low-key an expression of fear. Imposter syndrome will make you feel like you cannot do anything even when you are capable, when you are qualified, when you have the capacity, when you have the ability, when you are good. Imposter syndrome make people who are really, really good at what they do have doubts about what they can do. If you feel like there's something you need to start now. Kill those voices, dead those voices in your ears. Oh, you cannot do it. What will people say? How do I look? Oh, this is not aesthetically pleasing. Oh, this I don't have this, I don't have that. I'm not like other people. If you keep on listening to all those voices, you would not go anywhere. Even when I don't get comments, likes, or the views I expect, There's this imposter syndrome that comes in to tell me that, what are you even doing safe, madam? Go and rest. Focus on your 9 to 5 and your business. Well, there's passion. As someone who works in corporate, you need passion. Oh. It's passion that will drive you. Because you can hate your job, you can love your job, and there are days, months you don't want to even do anything. But there's something that should remind you, that should be at the back of your mind to tell you that there's a reason why I'm doing this. When I'm working hard, you also need to work smart. You need to work smart. You need to dead the idea of imposter syndrome. If not, you will just see yourself as someone who is not valuable at anything at all. Another thing you should also realize when working in corporate is that you should never, ever, ever attach sentiment to your organization or where you're working or any business. Don't. Especially if you know that the organization is just, there's a kind of culture. You're sensing it. They're telling you that the culture is A, but you're sensing and you're seeing that the culture is B. Please do not attach any sentiment to any organization. Thank you. You need to give yourself grace. We need to give ourselves some grace. Like, just give yourself grace. You know when you know yourself, but you're not sure you know yourself? Will I link this back to imposter syndrome? Growing up, I knew I wanted to be in the media space. I've always loved the camera. I've loved talking. There's something I battled with as a child. I used to stutter growing up as a child. I used to battle with stuttering. I wanted to be a lawyer. I wanted to read the news. At some point, I wanted to be a doctor. I wanted to be an international diplomat. There's one thing I don't want to be: banker or computer scientist or accountant or. But the truth about life is that you can be anything you want to be. You can be anybody you want to be. So yeah, back to the whole story. So I used to stutter, and then in school they would do debates competition or just debate sessions, and I'll be like, hi, I have points to make. Oh, and when the person debating or talking is doing her thing, I'll be like, hi, if this girl says this my point now, she will win. Everybody will just clap for her. And I'll be wishing that, hey, I wish it was me on this stage, because of that fear of stuttering, fear of, I might just go there and have stage fright. Before I even say one sentence, I'm stammering and everybody was just laughing at me. So it made me really quiet. But even in my quiet times, I was building myself. I was building myself. I was thinking, researching ways on how to overcome stuttering, ways on how to talk better. I started reading in church. My mom even made me read in church as a lay reader. I started reading at 8. It's not like when I started reading, the stuttering stopped though. But I noticed that anytime I open a book to read, I don't stutter. And the thing is, then I used to talk very calmly. Like, I was very slow. I had this baby voice. Maybe you can hear it somehow in how I talk. I used to talk like this. My name is Kaka. I am 10 years old. I love rice and chicken. Like, I was really, really soft. And the reason why I used to talk like that is because the slower I talk, my brain processes my words better. So I don't and then I don't hang, because it was a thing. My mom would tell me to go and call my dad to eat, and I'm at his door in front of his room. Over 10 minutes, I'm thinking of how to say, Daddy, mommy said I should call you to eat, or Daddy, your food is ready, come and eat. I don't know if my mom knew I used to stutter, but as I was working on myself, she would send me every time. Even up to today, so when I was still, before I left my father's house, she would say, go and call your dad to eat. Tell your dad that his food is ready. And the more I went to his room to tell him, Daddy, your food is ready, after years, I got better. So what I do now, I slowly process my words. I talk to myself a lot. It might look like I'm running mad or something, but I talk to myself a lot. I have full-blown conversations with myself at home. Like, I talk like I'm talking on TV, I'm on a podcast, or I'm doing YouTube. YouTube even helped me. My YouTube channel really helped me, to be honest, in talking, not being camera shy. And the thing is, if I don't have anything to say, I don't have anything to say. I just keep quiet, process my words better till I can speak. So yeah, don't be shy. In my university days, I was very active. I was quite active. I was a vice president in my department. Why did I forget all these things? Oh my God, Kaka, why did you forget this? it made other people come out, to contest. Even people that were very quiet, girls that they will say, "Ah, this girl is just fine. She doesn't know anything." And I did not like that thing at all. I didn't like that thing. People were like, "Ah, she's a fine girl. What does she even know? She doesn't know anything. She doesn't know anything. What does she even know?" That thing used to pain me. It used to pain me. Like I did not just want people to know me as a fine girl. I wanted to own something. This is my channel. Come and do it if it's easy. My own is inbuilt. It's talent. It has been in me. I just built on it. My mom is a camera person. She retired as a director. Like, she's a camera person. That one, she did write. Some see they write. I was like, video now. My mom is a writer. I used to write when I was even young. I don't know why I stopped all these things. I think it's the imposter syndrome, to be honest. So going forward, listen to the good voices. Listen to your own good voice too. Listen to voices or the voice that would help you. Someone in uni then told me that, why am I doing everything? I'm vice president. I also want to contest for SUG, SRC, vice president. I'm in this group. I'm in that group. Why should I be doing everything? I want to be socialist. That alone made me realize that I did not have good friends in university. I did not need to be around that kind of person. And it was not just her that was thinking like that. She made that statement and like 5 other people concurred. I was shocked. I left the room and that was it. I just gave myself distance. I'm like, no. How will somebody come and describe? What do you mean? Like, it's an opportunity. Nobody is coming out for anything. And then I want to come out. You're telling me this. Like, and the sad part is that I listened to that voice sort of. That voice kind of disturbed me. It distorted my growth. I feel like I'm someone that would have done so much more in the media space in my early times. But a lot of things, a lot of distractions in the sense that I was not focusing on what I loved. I was focusing on how to just move. To be honest, I actually like the fact that I had the opportunity to grow a 9 to 5, and I'm still doing what I love now. I'm still doing my media thing. I'm still in the media space. I just love it. And I thank God for that. So I like videos like this. Like when the idea comes, I want to just, go full blown out instead of waiting or anything. So yeah, subscribe, like this video, drop a comment and share. I'll see you in my next one. Bye for now.